Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing both the cap and yourself. Plug the cap in and charge until near full. Low battery changes performance. Clean your scalp and remove metal hair items so sensors sit flush. Open the app and follow pairing prompts. Keep Bluetooth on and allow permissions. Once paired, select the sleep mode profile and set initial intensity to low. This gives you a gentle baseline while the cap calibrates to your head shape and skin contact. After placement, make fine adjustments so sensors sit over the correct points and speakers align with your ears. In the app, choose temperature, soundscape, and a timer. Start with a 20-40 minute warm-up to let your body adapt. Press start and breathe slowly. The cap will deliver patterned cooling or vibration. If you feel pressure or warmth, pause and reposition. Make changes in small steps, because abrupt intensity increases can wake you rather than. To finish, stop the session in the app or hold the power button for 3 seconds. The cap will power down and save your settings. Unclip and air dry completely before storing flat in its case to preserve electronics and fabric. If you don't fall asleep, troubleshoot. Confirm a snug but comfortable fit, full battery, and the latest firmware. Also lower intensity, switch soundscape, or try a longer wind down. These adjustments fix most problems without hardware service.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.